Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. Let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that after the NFP report yesterday, market got very volatile. Dollar started falling, gold started going up. There were many changes. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of US dollar, what is going on in the chart of gold, and what should be our strategy for Monday. So watch the video carefully. We'll be discussing everything step by step, and then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the chart of gold here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is an uptrend. You can see that market is a beautiful uptrend, making constant higher highs and following this trend line as a beautiful support. Therefore, if you do not have this trend line drawn on your charting platform, then I will request you to draw this trend line, because you can easily see that this trend line is acting as a very beautiful support for the market. Clear? On the other hand, if we go the chart of DXY US dollar, then we can see that yesterday there was a heavy fall on the US dollar after the NFP report. Already US dollar was in a weak position. We were seeing some selling pressure from before only, but after the NFP report, when the data failed to meet the forecast, there was some severe sharp fall on the chart of US dollar, and you can see that there is a sharp fall on US dollar. And if you do not know, then I would like to tell you that dollar and gold is very much related to each other. If dollar starts going up, then gold starts going down, and if dollar starts going down, then gold starts going up. And yesterday there was a fall in the US dollar. As a result, there was a sharp rise on gold. But right now you can see that after this sharp fall, US dollar is standing at a support here. We have a support here. This is the support zone. So on Monday there is a possibility that after this huge fall on US dollar, dollar may start going up. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal on US dollar, but dollar may try to recover a little bit, and in case if it goes up, or if it tries to recover, then gold will be going down. Are you getting my point? Dollar is standing at support here, and yesterday you can see that though there was a sharp fall on US dollar, after reaching this particular support zone here, it didn't go down further. Rather, it tried to hold its position. So there is a possibility that market on Monday it will try to recover, and if it tries to recover, then again it has a resistance in the form of this trend line on the US dollar. So if it goes up from here, then definitely it will face resistance again and it will go down. So dollar is bearish right now, keep in mind. And if you look at the chart of gold here, as the dollar is going down, then definitely gold will be going up, and you can see that gold is beautifully going up. This trend line, already explained, is a beautiful support for the market, and apart from this support level, we have 1808 level acting as a support from the market, and this support level belongs to the weekly chart. I have already explained this level on the previous videos. This is the weekly chart of gold here, and if I remove the drawings, you can see that gold has beautifully taken support at 1808 level, and this is the level. Therefore 1808 is a very strong and very important support for the gold. And apart from 1808 level, we have 1830 or 1832 acting as a resistance for the market. And you can see that yesterday when there was heavy buying on the chart of gold, but still it failed to cross this level, and which clearly signifies that this level is a strong resistance for the market, and we have a strong support at 1808 level. So we have one strong resistance in the market, and we have got two support on the chart of gold USD. Getting my point? This is the resistance and this is the support, and this trend line is also a support for the market. And if you look at the Forex Sentiment meter here, You'll find a Forex Sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com. In the Forex Sentiment meter, you can see that 61% retail traders have taken short position and 38% retail traders have taken long position. My dear friends, as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and the reason is that they fail to follow the trend of the market. And as you can clearly see that gold is in uptrend right now. So do not make the same mistake like the retail traders. Trade with proper analysis and proper understanding of the market. Okay, and as we all know, the basic rule of the market, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And the chart of gold is clearly in uptrend, therefore only look for buying opportunities, and it will be safe to look for buy opportunities only. Clear? And my dear friends, I would like to remind you that recently I have launched a Pro Trader program where I share my daily analysis on the market. Okay, so if you are interested, if you want to know more, just go to the Pro Trader section on the website. You will find everything on detail. And if you want to learn to trade from me, if you want to become a trader like me, then you can just visit the workshop section on my website. You will find everything on detail. That's it. So let's try to understand what should be our strategy for Monday then. So we have understood the trend of the market. It is in uptrend, and the basic rule of the market says we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And as you can see that yesterday it failed to cross on Friday, it failed to cross this level, and US dollar, listen to me carefully, it has failed to cross the resistance, and US dollar is also standing at support. And therefore if dollar starts going up and due to resistance, if gold starts coming down on Monday, then also do not short the market. If you are a safe trader, if you are a beginner, then do not short the market. If you are looking for only safe trading opportunities, then you should only go for buy at this particular level, when market will be taking support either at this trend line or at 1808 level. Because if dollar starts going up from the support and gold starts falling or from this resistance, then you can go for buy at this particular level on Monday. And if you are an experienced trader, you have been trading for last couple of years, then you can short the market with your own risk at this level, at 1830 level. You can short the market at 1830 level. But if you are a beginner, then I'll only recommend or suggest you to go for buy at this particular level only, because if you buy at 1808 level and on the trend line, then you will be staying along with the trend, and that will be safer for you. Okay, and if you are a beginner, then you should only be looking for safe trading opportunities. But yes, experienced traders can afford to take trades against the trend of the market. Okay, that requires some experience. So if you want to take some risk, you can short the market here if market starts coming down on Monday. Otherwise, only look for buying opportunities at the support level only. Okay, and if you short the market here at 1830 level, then your stop loss will be above this line, and if you go for buy, then your stop loss will be below this trend line. That's it. So this is the only strategy for Monday. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.